So, so I'm Anthony. If you don't know me, on the Sneaker Fair Customs, and a few of you been asking about asking me in particular about like how do I come up with color combinations and how do I use colors. Basically, what tools do I have that go into me deciding colors? At this point, it's mental. I've been working and doing artwork in general, not just customs, for about 27 years. But what I did do early on, especially as a kid, and when I was being trained by my mentors and stuff, was I used this, a color wheel. You may have done a project like this in art school where you have to paint the squares and make them get lighter and stuff like that. Well, color wheel makes that process easy. It already puts the combinations together for you. I got this color wheel at Hobby Lobby. And what I like about this color wheel is that this color wheel has the triangles to help you coordinate your colors. So with this one, you can set up quite a few different combinations. You see here, you can see like complementary colors right here for like a primary combo. So that's this green, this purple, and this orange. And then this is a tint side right here. So any tints, which tints means light colors, colors that you add white to, you can use this. Or you can use the smaller triangle, the secondary triangle, and go with this, this, and this. And you can also add all six in a combination. And so basically, what you do is you use the main point, this one here where the arrow points, and you turn the wheel. Just turn the wheel. Let's start by here. And that'll give you, this is gonna be your main color. And so every point outside of the main color is an option for you, including these. So these are all options to complement this color in your color scheme. Now we can flip it over and we can go to shades. So these are colors that basically would have more black in them. And you do the same thing. So if I want this color, this real dark reddish color, I can take any of these and match it. So you got so many options, like, hundreds of combinations you can make off of this. And this is pretty much the basics and how you could learn how to master your color relationships and your color harmonies with a simple tool like this. This was, once again, it's about $12 at Hobby Lobby. And I mean, is worth more than gold, for an artist. So I definitely recommend picking one of these up. Peace. Oh, forgot. So quick bonus, real quick. If you look at this, there's a lot of. Hold on, let me get the camera to focus. So this triangle they're also split in down the middle too. So you see this is the orange red, right? So I can go with this it's like greenish blue, so like teal colors, and then this green. So that's 1, 2, 3, and that's this triangle right here. It's a smaller one. And then so I can use also this red orange, and I can go with the green blue, and then the blue green too. So that's this one split like that. You also have the option here, so red orange, blue violet, so blue purple, and then this one here, green blue. So you can split those triangles like that. Red orange, then we got yellow green, and then we got just regular greens. Same thing on this side. Blue green, this orange, Boom. And this red. Then you can do that same thing. Blue, green, this orange, and then yellow, orange.